Hey guys, it is Kay here today with a freebie. Now, in my previous video, if you haven't seen it, I'm pretty much downsizing all my stuff and giving it away. So I pretty much am quitting what I'm doing online, meaning I'm downsizing quite a bit. And I have lots of tools, lots of swipes, lots of just materials I've gathered over the years, and I'm giving it away. So that's why today's freebie, I'm going to be featuring something I'm going to be giving away. So if you want, you can watch this video till the end. You'll know how to get all these freebies and more that will be coming up in the next couple of days. So the freebie I'm going to be featuring today is something that I've created in the Conversion Pros. So it's a swipe that if you're looking for marketing materials, marketing swipes, stuff you could use for your own without creating it yourself, you don't have to go through the stress of trying to figure things out. I've created some stuff in the Conversion Pros that if you are looking for stuff like that, you could definitely get it for free. Now, here's the thing. If you don't have the Conversion Pros, what I'm going to suggest you do is definitely sign up for a free account. And this way you could get access to what I'm about to give you today. In addition to that, what you could do is literally copy this stuff and put it anywhere else you want it. So if you have an option to put it somewhere else, then get a free system with the Conversion Pros, copy it and put it somewhere else, and then you don't want the service with Conversion Pros, you could definitely cancel the service. Because it is a free account that you could actually sign up, and there's no credit card required to sign up for that free account. So with that said, let me show you what you can do in the Conversion Pros and actually get my free swipe from the Conversion Pros. Now, Conversion Pros, and why am I featuring this to be one of the first freebie I'm featuring, is it's really easy to use. The Conversion Pros is a simple system that anyone could use. I've definitely found this to be the easiest all-in-one marketing tool that I've used. So that's why I'm featuring this today. So in the Conversion Pros, when you get here, you actually sign up for a free account. You're going to get to this page, this first page that says watch this first. And literally after you watch this first introduction, you're set to go do quite a bit of stuff in the Conversion Pros. So let's show you how you can get what I'm giving you away for free today. In the Conversion Pros, to get this free, what you're going to want to do is go over to the section here and actually go to the page builder. So when you go to the page builder here, you're going to click on it. And when you click on the page builder, you're probably going to get this little wizard that pops up that wants to show you how to use Conversion Pros. You could pretty much dismiss it or actually go through all the training so it walks you through. But I'm going to show you something that I'm going to be giving away here in the Conversion Pro, and that is going to be templates and swipes. So pretty much these share codes that you're seeing here, once I give you these share codes, you will be able to literally copy all the pages I'm going to be showing you here. So what I'm going to feature today is one of the systems I built, and I'm actually going to show you the beginning of it, but it is Club Cash Fund. So if you're a member of Club Cash Fund, you could definitely get access to these swipes that you could use literally in your own Club Cash Fund business, or actually get them and tweak them to whatever business you are in. Because usually these templates and these swipes I'm going to give you, they're really interchangeable with a lot of programs. So as long as it's in the same relation to make money online, it's going to fit what you're doing. Just a matter of swapping out what I have in there for your particular business. So let me show you some of the things that I've created with the Conversion Pros for the Club Cash Fund business. So you can see I've created 3 different pages of it. So I've created a lot of stuff. Funnel just centered around the Conversion Pros. So if I look at this, I'm going to get a link and I'm going to preview the page so you can see what it looks like. So this is actually the page that is created that starts the funnel. So you can see super simple way to earn, and it gives them amount, and it has someone put their name and email in. And that would be their first introduction to Club Cash Fund. So that's one page, and you can see this one here. So after they get to that page, they would come to a page like this that says get excited, request your starter kit, and then it will feature a video that explains Club Cash Fund. It will have me kind of featuring Club Cash Fund, and then you could put your name here and your email address so people could actually contact you. So very simple system that I've created for Club Cash Fund that anyone could use. And all it takes is the share codes. I'm actually going to show you quite a few of these pages. So if you have in mind to request a specific page, you could definitely let me know. Take a screenshot of it and let me know that's the one you want. So I'm going to preview just a couple of the pages. So that's the page we just saw. I'm going to look at some more so you could actually see and get a flavor of some of the pages that I do have. All right. So that's pretty much the same one. Let's preview this one. So that's a copy of another lead capture page for Club Cash Fund. So I pretty much have 5 of those lead capture pages for Club Cash Fund. I'm going to go to the second page and see what we got there. Let's preview that one. So this is another page for Club Cash Fund. So and you can see this is a generic one where it says you could put your email address so people could actually contact you instead of putting my email address there. But actually what I'm going to show you, and let's see, I'm going to show you another one so we can get a flavor of all that we do. So you can see this one's a little different. It starts out with the same video, but it has some more information about it. It has a different video of me, a different video, and so the video sales pages are all different. So what that means is literally you could start the funnel where you send someone to a lead capture page, they request information, and then you send them different different sales video pages. So not just the same one. Most people send people to the same pages over and over again. This way you could, change it up. You could put different things on the page, literally change it up. And let me see what this one looks like. And then this is another video of a video sales page. And this is another campaign we did. So you could literally take my videos out, leave them in, change it to your information and your email address and everything else, and then just have people go through your system. And this is another cool page we did with the conversion pros, where we actually had a campaign kind of a thing and giving people bonuses for joining with us. So this is a page created for a team member that get the swipe for. And so if you haven't joined the not the conversion pros, but Club Cash Fund, and you're not quite sure what Club Cash Fund is, I'm going to leave this page here so you could actually join or actually check out Club Cash Fund with one of my members. So this is not my page, but I'm actually, supporting one of my members. So you could actually click on this page here and read about it, click on it, and get information about Club Cash Fund if you aren't a member. And this way you'll see the flavor of what that opportunity is all about. But if you are a member of Club Cash Fund, you could definitely, request the share codes for these. And what I'll do is actually, get the share code. So you could even, pause the video here and actually copy these share codes down. And when you plug them in your system, you'll see exactly what it is. So let's say I gave you a share code. We're going to take a peek at this page. So this is the landing page for this share code. So let me see if I gave you the share code. So you could either write it down, or if you request this share code, what I could do is I could copy this and send it to you. But here's what you would do. When I give you the share code, so I'd copy it, all you got to do is go to your page builder. So you just go to page builder here, click on it, and when you go to page builder, it's going to bring up this page right here. You're going to click on create and actually use share code. You're going to paste the share code I give you in that box, hit save, and edit right now. And once you do that, you'll have that exact same page. So I'm actually going to, rename it so you could see that I've saved it. So I'm going to rename it to given on YouTube. So this way, when we go back to it, you'll see that that page was actually a new page. And you could change anything here. I mean, you could put edit here, edit newbie making money. And we could delete that so you can see that's changed. And just fill out the form to get, okay. We could stop editing. We could start editing this section. This is what you've been waiting for. Tons of money being made daily. All right, we could stop editing there. And if you want to change like colors and stuff, it's a simple process. We could stop that. You could just do the styling button right here. Click on it, and we'll just move this out. And we could do the background, change it from red. How about we make it some kind of green? And now it's a green color. And so simple way to do this. And you'll actually, when you come in here, realize that, you know, if you just click on things, you'll see how easy this is. And once you're done, you'll just scroll down to the bottom here where these blue buttons are and hit Save Lander. And it will tell you that it's saved. And so now you could go back to your main Conversion Pros, just hit the refresh button under the page builder. And this is it. You remember we put given on YouTube? So this is it. You just recreated your own page. We're going to preview this. And this is what it looks like now. So it's changed from red to green, which I think it looks pretty fantastic actually. And that is as simple as it is to use the Conversion Pros. A very simple process. So here's what I'm going to do for you in this video. You could certainly, this is strictly for the Club Cash Fund opportunity. But here's the thing. Even if you're in another opportunity, what you could do is copy these share codes, change them out to be yours. So on a video, on a page like this, where I have this picture, you could change it out to be whatever picture you want. So it doesn't have to stay this. You can keep the words or, you know, change out the words and keep the pictures either way. So what I'm giving away is the rights to actually use all my materials here, because you know what? I'm not going to be using them anymore in much promotions. So might as well someone gets to use them, because in a couple of weeks or something like that, I'm pretty much going to be closing down and downsizing a lot of stuff that I have online. So that's why I'm giving away all my scripts and templates. So if they could be of use to you, certainly go ahead and use them. If you want to, you know, pause the video here and copy these share codes down like you see them and plug them in to get into the Conversion Pros, you could certainly do that and make your own pages. Pretty much all you do is copy these numbers down, whatever this is. But I have a little button I could copy it here. You'd copy it down and go to create in your Conversion Pros and just hit go to page builder in your Conversion Pros right there. Hit the create page. And when you do that, just hit that share button right there, use share code, and just type that in. Whatever the code is, just type it in and hit save, and you'll have that page right away. So very easy, simple system. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to give you the template of the training that I did. So I've done a training to show people how to set this up and actually gave you the templates. So I'm actually going to look for that and give you the share code. So at least you'll have something. Training, 50 States campaign. Let's take a peek at that. So this is what this one looks like. All right. So we got that one. We'll take a peek at that one, and then let's preview this one. All right. Perfect. So what I could do is actually give you guys the funnel setup that you could actually set this up for yourself. Let's see here. Actually, I'm going to pause the video here and find that training video, and then I'll show it to you and then put it in the description. All right, so here's what I'm going to actually put in the description box because I found that this is going to be the Club Cash Fund training portal that I've created for members. And what I'm going to do is actually post the share code to this because what this has all the share codes to the entire funnel for Club Cash Fund. So what that means is you could literally go through this entire process and you could learn how to build a sales funnel process for anything. You could copy what I have and use it, or you could copy what I have and edit it for yourself, and then you could use it. And this is strictly through the Conversion Pros. So in order to get this funnel, you have to be a member of the Conversion Pros, right? To get that share code, because you need that share code to copy and paste it in there. Now, at that point, if you want to transfer that page outside of the Conversion Pros, certainly feel free to do that. But in order to get my share code, you have to get it. Well, in order for the share code to work for you, you have to have the Conversion Pros in order to copy it and, download that page. So this is going to be the funnel for Club Cash Fund. Again, you can copy it, change it, use it. Don't use it on the Conversion Pros, take it off the site after you get it. Perfectly fine with me. But what this has is it has the share code and shows you how to link everything together. It has the share codes, it has the video sales pages, it has the autoresponder messages that you could use. So you could actually use this funnel, get all these pages and use it for whatever else business that you have. Just change out the name Club Cash Fund to your particular business, change out my personal details to your personal details, and you'll be set. So check the link in the description box. You'll find links to actually get your free account with the Conversion Pros, and then also you'll find a link to this page that would give you all the funnels that goes with Club Cash Fund and give you all the details for it. Now definitely subscribe to the channel if you're looking to get some more scripts, because as I mentioned in my previous video, I'm actually going to be downsizing. Pretty much I quit. I'm going to be downsizing my business online, and I have a lot of stuff that I could certainly give you. So if there's anything you think of that you'd like and you're thinking maybe I have it and you could get it for free, definitely, leave it in the description box, or connect with me somehow. I will leave some details of how you could connect with me, and I'll definitely search for them and get back to you either through a video or personally where I show you whatever I have and definitely let you have it. So thanks guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next videos coming up where I'll give you some freebies to the things that most marketers need. So links are going to be in the description box, and I'll see you next time in the next video.